Good morning, everyone. In this video, we shall learn about the new feature of My GST Cafe software, that is Speed Dashboard. So now let's see how to launch Speed Dashboard. First, we will click on Start Now button. Now on the left side, you can see a red button highlighted here. Now click on this Launch Now button to launch the Speed Dashboard. So the Speed Dashboard helps the chartered accountants and tax professionals to do the compliance work more fast and quicker. Its innovatively designed dashboard gives you the glimpse of all the return filing history of all the clients and of all the months at a single page. Plus, you can update the return filing status of all clients in a single click via My GST Cafe APIs. Now let's see how to do that. Now, as you can see, like this dashboard contains the list of your clients as well as their month-wise GST return and GSTR 3B status. Now, if you want to update the return filing status of all your clients at a single click, just click on this Update All button and click on Return Status using API. So as soon as you will click on Return Status using API, the software will start updating the return filing status via My GST Cafe APIs one by one, and that too in a single click and of all the clients. Now you can see that the return status of all the clients has been updated successfully. Click on OK to proceed. As I have said earlier, the whole dashboard has been uniquely designed. Now you can see the cells, that some cells are highlighted as white and some cells are highlighted as green. So the green cell depicts that the return has already been filed, whereas the white cell depicts that the return has still not been filed. And if the client is covered under the QRMP scheme, then the cells are marked as blue and it has been flagged as QRMP. Now let's take an example of a client wherein the cell of appearing against the GSTR1 of December month is marked as white. Now, if you want to prepare the GSTR1, you can directly right click this particular cell and you will get multiple options to go to the desired landing page. Now, suppose if you want to prepare the GSTR1, so you just right click on that particular cell, and when you will click on prepare GSTR1, you will directly land on that GSTR1 page of this particular client. Thereby, it avoids lot of clicks that are usually required to land into this page. So overall, the whole process is quite faster with the help of Speed Dashboard. Again, going back to the dashboard. So now let's see what are the options available in GSTR 3B. So suppose if I want to file the GSTR 3B or this particular SSE, I will right click here, and the various options that are available to me is that we can directly land to e-file dashboard, or we can directly file nil GSTR 3B from here. Similarly, if you right click on the name of the SSE, then you can directly log in to the GST portal directly from here, instead of directly switching and clicking on Start SSE and selecting the calendar month. You can directly use the Speed Dashboard to directly log into the portal by right clicking on this SSE name. Apart from that, you can also update the QRMP status from here by clicking Update All and click Update QRMP status using APIs. Plus, we have given lot of filter options here through which you can change the design and layout of this particular dashboard. Now, suppose you want the status of only the you want that only the return filing status of October month and November one should appear here. You can directly choose this particular month and click on apply filter, and accordingly the design, the layout of this whole dashboard will change to just 2 months. Apart from there, you can use this search facility to directly find out or search a particular client. So I'm just typing Akhil here. You can see it has directly shown me, but by just typing the few keywords, it has directly shown me that particular client and the return status of of that particular client. Apart from that, if I want to see the list of all the clients here, then there is an option available here: show 25 entries, 150 entries, 200 entries, and all. So suppose if I click on all, then this particular dashboard will be refreshed to show the status of all my clients. So this particular speed dashboard feature is really very useful to all the chartered accountants and tax professionals who have lot of clients, and they can get a bird's eye view at a single place, and they can directly also file the return from this particular speed dashboard page. So this particular speed dashboard is really very useful to all the chartered accountants and tax professionals because it really makes their work very faster because of its innovative design dashboard, wherein you can get the return status of all your clients of all the months at a single place, and that too on a single click. For any more help, you can email us at support@mygstcafe.com or call us at 705213 5213. Thank you.